Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can use a photo from your library as a wallpaper on your iPad. So the first step is to long press on your lock screen to enter editing mode. Then use your passcode or Face ID. And then once you're in editing mode, tap on this plus button here. Then select in this add new wallpaper editing menu, select photos and choose an image from your gallery. Once you've selected your image, you should see it being applied, and now you can continue customizing it. So you can choose between photo styles that you want to use, your given colors, gradients. It's all up to you to decide what style you want to use exactly. And you can also pinch to crop. So you can choose to zoom in or you can zoom out with your fingers as long as you're pinching. And then once you're finished with that, if say example you've chosen a color wash style, you can tap on this to change the color of the wash. So it's up to you to customize this image further. You can also choose to add widgets. So you're given widget suggestions, and then you have different types of widgets you can choose from if you don't find the ones you like in your suggestions. Then once you're happy with that, you can also change the clock style. So when you tap on it like that, you can change the font of the clock. You can also choose to increase or decrease the size of the font style, as well as changing the color of the clock and the widgets. Then when you're happy with what you've chosen, you can just tap on an empty space, select add, and then choose set as wallpaper. So once you've done that, simply select your newly created wallpaper style. And then from here, you should see the changes have been made. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.